Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, got the IROC behind me, and it's been doing all right. I fixed a couple things on it, got the power steering going, runs a little less terrible once again. Been driving it here and there, got caught in a rainstorm, T-tops leak, but probably leaked from factory, you know, good old 80s GM stuff. But yeah, I just pulled her in. Gonna probably do oil change, spark plugs. Getting like a raw fuel smell coming out tailpipe when I first started up. I don't know, or the carb was probably just shot. So, all right, we'll get started on her. But before I get started, I want to show you these cool blue wires that I got. Now, well, yeah, they are new, but I'll tell you, getting to that power steering pump, that's quite the job, especially with the AC pump right there. I had to pull out 2 manifold bolts. Yeah, that was quite the process. Oh, if you're wondering why I put new plugs, not new plugs, but new wires and not new plugs, well, because I'm lazy. So I have her up in the air. Oh, I gotta get a power wash underneath that thing. Oh well. But I thought I saw something hanging the other day. I just didn't mind it. I thought it was like maybe a dead rabbit or something. But I hit a big puddle in the rain one time, and I lost a lot of floorage right there. I got the Bluetooth floor. Nothing what a road sign won't fix. What do you think? That's about speed limit sign, yeah, something like that. Cut it up and slap it in. Now I just gotta see which one to take. There, that looks a lot better. She'll be fine. The funny thing is, I don't think the guy that owned before me even did an oil change, let alone checked it. I checked it once, and I've been driving for a couple months, if I could do math right. I don't know, it's probably way overdue oil change, so yeah, you know, things get busy, and as long as the oil's wet, it's still going around the motor. That's all I really care about. So, let's get this off. Find out that oil. I bet you this oil is super dark. Oh, of course I miss. Well, so much for having a clean shop floor. No. It's just small enough. Come on. Come on. Wait, it's smarter. Yeah, there we go. Well, there's plenty of oil in it. Oh, chunk. Scared the hell out of me. Oh. She's getting chunky. Oh. Alright, now that's that. Since that's drained now, let's try to get this oil filter. Ooh, it's an STP. At least they respected the car. Oh, that's hot. Oh, we're gonna miss it again. Hot. I always do this to myself. Don't give the car enough time to cool off, and I always burn my hands. Get covered in hot oil. You think I'd learn after many years, but I never do. So I got myself a nice CarQuest filter. I always like CarQuest. They're affordable, not too bad. I usually put the date and the mileage on my filter. I don't know, whatever you guys do. But yeah, CarQuest has been working for me for quite some time. So I'll use them. Lube up the ring a little bit. Threads too. Yeah. They say use clean oil, but dirty oil works just as well. All right, let's dump some oil in her. Okay, so I will admit it's been a while since I've last worked on this car, but I'm still throwing it in the video anyways. But now I'm just going to do spark plugs, and I don't know what's going on with that. I'll take care of that soon, maybe, probably not. But now I'm just going to see if spark plugs will make a difference, and hopefully it should run a little bit better. Don't you love when you rip the guts out of one of your spark plug wires? Sweet. Well, this just got a little bit more expensive, but oh well, it happens. Okay, well, I finally finished up all the wiring. Got myself new wire for that one, and here's what plugs looked like. There's 4. Those 4. Not too bad, but oh well, I gotta make some difference. Yeah, it's good to have new plugs anyways. Alright, now let's see if she starts up. Probably gonna run the same. My luck. Oh, barely fit in this car. Alright, come on. 100 pumps and... oh, come on, girl. Ooh. Battery's dead. Well, she's running now, so that's a plus. So yeah, I don't know if the spark plugs actually did anything. It seems to be running a lot better. But yeah, plugs are in, she runs. It's whatever. The window is kind of busted, broke that. That's pretty cool. So the window's stuck down. But anyways, guys, we'll wrap it up. Really got nothing else going on. It's kind of cold. It's wintertime. Tired. And so, if you like this video, like, subscribe, do all that stupid stuff. And catch you guys on the next one. Peace.